Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama. It's January the 19th and it's probably about 5:30, 5:45 by now. Staying light just a little bit longer, which is great. Um, right now it says we're at about 36, 37 degrees. Supposed to get down to 16 tonight. Said it was 14 last night, but wind's picking up. It's getting chilly. Little birds are all getting ready for bed. I just got two little boys here. It's probably gonna pop up on the perch here pretty quick. Uh-oh. Somebody found the golden millet. Little budgie treat. They got some fresh alfalfa and some seeds and grains there. Doesn't look like I quite got the jar in the way it's supposed to be. I have to check that before I leave tonight. Hi, little boy. He's checking us out. Oh, he wants to go up on the perch. Are you going to go up on the perch? It's okay. Oh boy. Tarp's about ready to take off. You can go up there. And we got George. He wants to go in. Are you starved to death, George? Huh? Well, he's found some golden millet too. We'll go in a minute, Georgie. Give Mama a second. Are you going up, little boy? Oh, George is going to go up. Do you get more attention when you're up there, buddy? Are you putting holes in our tarp? Way to go, buddy. Okay, well, George is on the roof. Got the cat's eye view here. Yep. We got a couple of little boys here trying to make their way to the perch with everybody else. Let's see if they'll do it while I'm here. That lasts long enough if my fingers don't freeze. Wind sure makes it feel colder than the thermometer says it is. Okay, one to go. Of course, that's 7. Oh, and now May May's decided she wants some golden millet. Come on, 7, you better get up here too. Come on, 7. You better get up there too. I don't know why you guys don't use the hutch. A lot better than being out here in the wind. Right, George? Looks like May May's coming down. Hi, May. Oh, she knows there's a new mealworm cake. She watched me put it out. She likes that. Oh, Seven's gonna go help her eat it. Uh-oh. Everybody else is getting the idea now, too. It's little birdie bedtime, but they're gonna have a snack before bed. Hi, May. I don't have any lettuce or strawberry leaves for you today. Sorry. Are you going to go back up now? Uh-oh, here comes somebody else. Oh, but I got some millet seeds. Look, somebody's starting a fire. Looks like they're burning their trash. There's some golden millet. Let's see if I can break it now. Maybe not. Oh boy. Here come May. Oh goodness. Started us a feeding frenzy. These don't break very easy. Yeah, give it me. Okay, everybody. Well, it's starting to get kind of dark. My fingers are cold. So I think I'm going to let the little birdies turn in. Hope everybody's having a great night. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and all the great comments. Sure appreciate you all. Have a good night, everybody. Say night, May. Night, May. Night, everybody. Bye for now.